Looking for the best charcoal grill for your money? And one surprise wildcard that takes a different route? Let's count down every model mentioned, from the weakest pick to the one that stands tallest. Coming in last, this grill looks attractive on paper because it gives you a lot for very little money. You get side tables, a warming area, a thermometer, and easy roll wheels. So at first glance it feels like a budget backyard setup that covers the basics. The appeal here is simple. It gives beginner grillers a full-size feel without taking up a premium price bracket, and that can be tempting when you compare it with the smaller portable options on this list. For casual burgers, hot dogs, and the occasional weekend cookout, it gives you more workspace than the compact Cuisinart. The problem is that this is where the compromises show up. Compared with the Weber and even the Royal Gourmet, the build quality looks far less reassuring, and customer feedback on the listing points to mixed assembly, durability concerns, and heat-related warping. That makes it the hardest one here to recommend with confidence. This one is mainly for shoppers who care more about getting the lowest entry price than long-term ownership. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Now let's move to a grill that goes in the opposite direction and focuses on portability first. In the next spot, we have the little Cuisinart, and this one knows exactly what it is. It is not trying to beat the bigger grills for capacity. It is trying to be the easy grab-and-go option for camping, tailgates, balconies, and quick backyard cooks. For that job, it makes a lot of sense. It is light, easy to carry, and the dual vent system gives you more control than you might expect from such a tiny cooker. Compared with the Master Cook, it is much easier to understand as a purpose-built product, and compared with the Weber or Royal Gourmet, it is dramatically easier to move and store. Of course, small size is both the selling point and the limitation. You are giving up cooking capacity, cooking height, and the kind of stability you get from the larger grills. If you are feeding a crowd, this one will feel outmatched almost immediately, and it is clearly less versatile than the bigger charcoal options above it. I'd recommend it to anyone who grills on the move or only cooks for a few people at a time. And before we jump to the next pick, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Up next is the wild card in this lineup, because it is not actually a charcoal grill at all. This one lands in the middle because while it is a solid cooker, it really does not match the main topic. The Traeger is a pellet grill, not a charcoal grill. So if you are chasing that classic charcoal ritual, this is a different experience from the start. That said, it has real strengths. Temperature control is far easier. You get meat probes, a roomy design, and the ability to grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue with much less hands-on effort than a traditional charcoal model. Compared with the Cuisinart and Master Cook, it feels more advanced and more beginner-friendly in daily use. The trade-off is obvious. It needs electricity, it uses pellets instead of charcoal, and it misses some of the direct fire personality that makes charcoal grilling so fun in the first place. It is also an older-style Traeger design without the smarter connected features that many buyers now expect from pellet grills. So, who is this for? Someone who likes outdoor cooking, but wants convenience over charcoal tradition. For this list, though, it stays below the top charcoal picks. And speaking of charcoal performance, now we step into a model that offers a lot more cooking room and smoking flexibility. Now we are getting serious. The Royal Gourmet takes the 4th spot in the countdown, and it is the value pick for people who want more room and more flexibility without jumping straight to premium pricing. Its biggest advantage is how much grill you get for the money. You have a large primary area, a warming rack, and a side smoker box, plus adjustable charcoal height and a front shelf for prep. Compared with the Cuisinart and Master Cook, this is a huge step up in cooking capacity. And compared with the Weber, it gives you a more smoker-style layout. But it is not perfect. Reviews point to concerns around durability and heat retention. And that matters because smoker-style grills live or die by how well they hold steady heat. So while it offers more features than the Weber on paper, it does not inspire the same trust in long-term consistency. This is a strong choice for backyard cooks who want space, smoky flavor, and good value. But if you want the most dependable all-around charcoal grill here, there is still one more to go. At the top of this ranking, it is the Weber Kettle. This grill has been the benchmark for a reason, and in my experience, it is the kind of product that makes you stop thinking about the grill and start thinking about the food. What makes it the winner is balance. It is not the biggest and it is not the flashiest, but it nails the basics better than the rest. You get strong heat retention, dependable airflow control, easy fuel access through the hinged grate, simple cleanup, and enough room to cook for a family or a small gathering. Compared with the Royal Gourmet, it is less specialized but more polished. Compared with the cheaper grills, it feels like a real long-term buy. Its main drawback is that it does not give you the giant cooking footprint of the Royal Gourmet, or the push-button ease of the Traeger. But those are trade-offs, not deal-breakers, because what Weber gives you is proven design, durability, and a setup that works for both beginners and experienced charcoal fans. This is the one I would point most people toward, especially if they want a true charcoal grill that can grow with them. Check the description under the video to see the top picks and choose the one that fits your space, your budget, and the way you actually like to cook. Take a look at the top products using the links in the description under the video, and pick the grill that feels right for your backyard or your next cookout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest, easy-to-follow reviews.